Namaste and welcome to this beautiful short yoga sequence to release any tension, any pain in your back, but also to work on strengthening your back, as a strong back is very essential for our long-term health and well-being. My name is Svenja and I'm very happy to guide you through this practice. We're gonna start by sitting in crossed leg position. Spine is comfortably erect, palms are together at the front of your chest in pranam, and we just start this practice by closing our eyes for a moment, taking a few deep breaths. To allow ourselves to connect to our body, our breath, to calm our mind. Deep abdominal breathing. And to set some beautiful intentions for a powerful healing session. And when you're ready, slowly, gently bring yourself back, open your eyes. We bring our right hand onto our left knee and we start by twisting our bodies to the back, so the left hand comes into the ground behind your back so that you can twist your spine and look towards the back. Make sure your spine stays upright and get that twist into your spine. Beautiful, just hold there, breathe there. And release. Switch left palm onto right knee. Right palm comes behind the body and twist your body. Twist your spine. This also twists your inner organs, your digestive organs, and activates them, stimulates your metabolism and your digestive tract. Beautiful. Release. Take an inhale here and exhale. Walk your palms out. Bring your head as close to the ground as possible. If possible, bring forehead onto ground and just allow your neck to be relaxed. Get the stretch in your back, in your shoulders. Hold there, breathe. Beautiful, and slowly, gently bring yourself back up and we come lying on our backs. Knees, feet stay in ground, knees are pointing up, back is on ground, arms are relaxed on the side of your body. We're now going to bring our pelvis up slowly by lifting each vertebrae after the other. Slowly roll your pelvis up, feeling each vertebrae until you all the way up, and just hold there for 3, 2, 1, and reverse the movement again from feeling the vertebrae between your shoulders and slowly along the back of your chest, your upper back. Bring your upper back onto the ground first, then your lower back. Beautiful. Until your full back is back in ground. And we'll repeat that movement with the next inhale again. Roll your pelvis up. Feel each vertebrae coming up off the ground until you can feel only your neck on the ground. Pelvis is all the way up. Hold there for 3, 2, 1, and again slowly roll your back into the mat again, mobilizing your whole spine. We're just going to repeat that one more time in a beautiful smooth rolling movement. Bring your pelvis up. Feel the mobilization in your spine. Push up, hold for 3, 2, 1, and slowly roll back down again. Beautiful. This time we're gonna push our pelvis up and bring our palms together underneath our body, and just feel the opening in your shoulders. Your shoulder blades are pressed together. Just hold there for 3, 2, 1, and slowly release. Beautiful. Bring your knees into your chest, hug your knees, and rock a little bit from side to side, giving your lower back a tiny massage like that. Breathe, your mind is calm. Be fully present with your body, your breath. Extend your legs out. Bring your right knee up. Your left hand gets a hold of your right knee, and slowly bring your right knee towards the ground. However far you can reach and hold there, if possible, bring it all the way down to the ground. Your right hand extends out and your head twists to the right side, looking towards your right palm. Try to keep your right shoulder on the ground so you get a full twist in your spine. Hold there, breathe. And release and switch side. Left knee comes up, right hand gets a hold of your left knee and brings it towards the ground. Look towards your left palm, your left side, keeping your left shoulder onto the ground, bringing your left knee as close to ground as possible, and breathe into the stretch. Hold there. Mind is calm. Beautiful. Release. Turn your body around from your right side and come laying on your front, on your stomach, bringing your palms next to your shoulders. Elbows are close to your body, chin is in the ground, and from here lift your upper body up. Make sure your belly button stays in the ground. Only upper body is lifting, and make sure to use as few strengths of your arms as possible, but use the strength of your lower back muscles and pull yourself up like that. Feet are together in the back, they stay onto the ground, and just come as high as possible whilst keeping your belly on the ground. Exhale, release. Beautiful. One more time. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Few more. Inhale, come Exhale, release. We're building strength in our back. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale, release. On the next inhale, we bring ourselves all the way up, so we extend our arms to get like a beautiful stretch in the back of our back, our lower back. We walk in our palms, intensify that stretch and look up. Allow our heads to relax into our shoulders. And slowly lower our body back down. Bring our palms together in front of our head. Place our head onto the palms and relax. Breathe, balance. This time, bring your feet towards the outside edges of your mat. Again, bring your palms into the mat next to your shoulders. This time when you come up, you twist your body and you look over your left shoulder. Try to look to your right foot. And relax, come back down. Inhale again. Push up, twist over your right side, looking towards your left foot. Beautiful. And release. Exhale one more time towards your left side. Inhale up, twist. Exhale down, release. And final time over your right shoulder. Inhale up. Look to your left foot. Exhale, come down, release. Beautiful. Bring your toes into the ground and push yourself up into cat position. From here, we first go into reverse cat. So arch your back, looking upwards. Allow your forehead not to be tensed, but gently look upwards without tensing your foreheads. And push your back up, curl your back into cat position. Push your back up in between your shoulders. Again, reverse, inhale. Look up. Exhale. Push your back up in between your shoulders. One more time. Inhale, look up. Exhale, cat. Beautiful. Pull yourself back into child position. Allow your back to stretch out, to relax. Breathe. And slowly, gently come back up. Come seated in Sukhasana, crossed leg position. Beautiful. From here, again, inhale, push your sternum forward, up and forward. And exhale, curl your back. Allow your chin to come all the way to the chest. Again, reverse the movement. Pull yourself forward. Exhale, curl back in. Inhale, come forward, bring your body forward, and now make a big rotation over your left side, anti-clockwise movement, but all the way forward and curl your back when you're in the back. Come forwards and to the back and switch direction. Move forwards. Feel how this is massaging your spine, releasing tensions in your back. Inhale forward, exhale back. One final rotation. Come forwards and exhale back. Beautiful. Rotate your shoulder to the back and to the front. Beautiful. Bring your palms together in the front of your chest. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale. And slow, gentle exhale. Just allow anything, any tension, anything that's any heaviness you would like to let go of, just allow it to drop along your spine into the ground. And just give it away, allow it to melt away, to drop away. Continue deep breathing. And take a moment to give some thanks to yourself for taking this time to take care of your body, to mobilize, to relax, and to strengthen your back. Set some beautiful intentions for the remainder of your day. And when you're ready, slowly, gently bring yourself back and open your eyes. Thank you for a beautiful practice. If you got any value out of this, if this was helpful, just let me know in the comments how you are doing with your back. And make sure to also hit that subscribe button and the notification sign to make sure you won't miss out on any of our newly released video, where we ensure that you get everything to live your best life, a life of health, great health, wealth and happiness. Namaste.